Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hey guys, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. This is Varun Namdar, and as you know, we are here to show you a new tiffin recipe for every school day. A recipe which is tasty, nutritious and delicious all at the same time. So today I'm going to make baked broccoli fritters, and like I said, they'll be tasty, nutritious and delicious because I am not going to pan fry them but bake them instead. So come, let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. The first ingredient that we're going to put in a bowl is of course broccoli. What I've done is I've cut them into florets, just steamed them lightly and grated them. Even if you chop them, end of the day it's going to look the same. Broccoli is amazingly high in vitamin C and it helps build immunity of your child. To this, let's add in whole wheat flour. And to this, I'm adding in processed cheese. Along with this, chopped parsley. And to flavor, salt and pepper. The final ingredient is Kissan Tomato Ketchup because this is going to give it that added zing and the required flavor for this recipe. Let's give this a mix. Once the mixture is well mixed, all you need to do is take a baking tray and grease this with just a touch of oil. Once the tray is well greased, the next step is to drop a few spoonfuls on the tray. Well, I'm making these unusual shapes so that they look a little different from your usual cutlets or croquettes. Time to bake these now at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. With this, our baked broccoli fritters are done and ready. Allow these to cool down a little, and in the interim, let's fill our tiffin. For this, I have some amazing grapes today. And with this, some mixed nuts. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this recipe. For more such recipes, do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I will be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.